How to fix messenger voice record not working. So if your messenger voice record is not working, then the first thing is, if everyone's voice record is not working, then it is the problem from the messenger app itself. So it might be doing some updates, or it might be changing something, but only your mobile or only your account is not being able to record some audios on messenger. Then the first thing you need to check is if you have a stable internet connection or not. And even after having a stable internet connection, if you face that kind of problem, then the first thing you need to check is if you are on a call or not. So if you are on an audio call or a video call, then if you are on a call, then you won't be able to record the voice message. So you have to cut that call, and after ending or after cutting that call, you can record the voice message. But if you are not on the call, and if you are not being able to record the voice message, then you need to open up your settings and then go for apps and notifications, and here open up your messenger application, and then go for the third option, which is storage and cache, and then go for clear cache. And you can also tap on clear storage, but if you don't remember your login information, then don't tap on that. And the last fix is to uninstall your application, and after uninstalling, you can install it again, and you can log into your messenger, and that might fix your problem. So that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.